exploring a canyon thing here. Whoa, I'm trapped. See? Look. Yeah. It is slippery.
Come on down. Can you help God? Kinda. Okay. That looks tricky. Can you do it? Go down. Do you want to try climbing there, Gav? Ta-da! Go all the way in. You wanna? Woo, woo, woo. Do you think you can get up there, Gav? That is tricky.
Can you help, Gav? Yeah. I can lift you up here. Gav, how did I get down?
You'll get down.
You can get down. Here.
You can do it, 100%.
No. Ow. Okay, I'm getting down. I'm gonna jump to those rocks.
Gav, should I help you? Do you want to go up?
No.
Okay.
Here we go.
Ooh. Oh, this is cool. What's that? I think we gotta go down. Wait, are we going that way down here or are we going along here? How are we gonna get down? We need to get down there somehow.
Yeah.
Is that the way to go?
I think so. Should I try?
Yeah, careful of sliding. Can you do it? Help Gav down, okay?
Here, Gav. I'll help you. Come to here and I can help you.
You can hold on to that root there. I gotta get down somehow too. Okay. Whoa.
I want to jump.
Okay, it's kind of steep though, you sure?
And I want to...
You gonna go, Gav?
Dad, can you help me?
Yeah.
Alright. Now I gotta get down.
Here, I got to go.
You got to go? It's on.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh, that's cool.
Look, there's a little mini cave down here. Hold on. Okay, Gav, I'm coming.
Are you guys gonna come back down this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Coming. Hiya!
Come on, Gav. You know what? There's this super cool pattern here. Gav, look at that pattern.
Cool. That is high.
It's like a, that's really neat. Look at. Are you gonna jump?
Yeah.
Okay, Danya's coming down.
3, 2, 1. Woo!
Awesome.
Woo!
Dan, look at that.
That's cool.
It's like a. Hmm?
It's cool patterns.
Okay, let's cross.
Can we cross down? Do you want to cross the hardware? This is easy, that's hard. I want easy.
Okay. I'm going easy because what? Hmm? It's like a little cave back there.
And look over there.
Uh-huh.
Those little holes and
Look at, there's a sand formation. Right here. It's cool. Okay guys, there's these pipes and we're gonna go through them. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. We made it.
whoa!
Oh my gosh. Look.
Hey, there's a trail in here.
Okay, Gav, let's go back.
I want to go first.
No, I'm gonna go this time. Coming, Dad. Coming back through.
Go off over there. Oh, okay. Well,
I'm gonna go.
you're gonna jump off?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
John, how is it? How is the water?
Good. You should go, Gav.
I'll go with the diamond.
You will? Okay.
With the diamond.
All right, deal.
Okay, now Gav's gonna go.
Go, Gav. Just
right
jump. Just jump right in.
there. It's good. Go, Gav.
Let me dry off first.
Okay.
Let me dry off first.
On!
Go, Gav.
Let's go! Woo-hoo! Go, Gav! Woo! Come on! How does it go? It's good!
No wonder you put your arm up.
Okay, are you going?
Yeah,
Okay, go down.
I'm here.
Woo! Perfect. Are you gonna jump in? Jump quick and you can swim back with Danya.
I'm waiting!
Just run and jump.
Don't say you're on!
Go, Gav.
Go!
It's good, Gav. Woo!
Woohoo! Come on! Let's go! Get quick!
Woo, woo!
Woohoo!
Are you gonna go, Don?
Here I go!
Go!
That's mine.
Woo! You gonna jump, Gav?
Can I come? Yeah, come on!
Go!
Go! Go! Woo!
Ow!
Come on! Wait, me! Go! Woohoo!
Ready?
Go!
Come on, Gav!
Go, Gav!
Okay.
1, 2, 3! Woo! Woohoo!
Okay,
Okay, here I go.
go, Don!
Whoa! 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah.